Alright, so in this video we're going to find slope from graphs. And so you may remember finding slope or referring to slope as rise over run. And so we use that when we're going from a graph. Now, we can do slope of a line from a graph two ways. Rise over run, or once I show you how to do it given 2 points, you can always use given 2 points. That is up to you. So rise over run, I always start at the left point and then go to the right point. So I do my up or down first, and that's part of the reason why I do from the left point, because it's the up or the down is going to determine my sign of the slope. So we are going up here, so that means I'm going to have a positive slope. 1, 2, 3, so we went up 3 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went up 3 and right 5. And so we write that as rise, which was 3, over run, which was 5. And then I just see if I need to reduce. Nothing goes into both 3 and 5. And so then that is our slope. All right, so my left point to my right point, here I'm going down 1. Down would be a negative move. So down 1, and then, so rise over. So now I have my fall in this case, over, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a negative 1 over 4 or a negative 1/4. So again, if I start from the left point, if I go up, it's going to be positive. If I go down, it's going to be a negative. And so again, that's just going from the leftmost point and from left point to right point. And then that's how we find our slope. So other things to remember, positive moves are up or right, depending on which, what we're thinking about. Negative moves are down or left. Oops, left. Now, again, like I said, if you start from the leftmost point, then your up or down is what will determine your positive or the sign of your slope, positive or negative. But if you were to count from, say, the right point to the left point, then you're going to have to keep in mind, okay, well, did I go left? Did I go right? And so then that will interfere, or you'll have to think about how that affects the sign of your slope as well. The other thing you can look at is just the direction of the line itself. If the line is going up, it's a positive slope. If the line is going down from left to right, it's a negative slope, and it's as simple as that. All right. In the next video, we're going to talk about given 2 points. So again, yes, these are several multi-videos, just so that you can go directly to the video you need for finding slope. See you there.